So today in this video I have a big old bag of goodies from TK Maxx because I went genuinely a little bit crazy in TK Maxx today. I haven't been to TK Maxx in ages. I either have times in TK Maxx where I go in and I buy absolutely nothing at all and leave empty-handed, or I go in and everything that I want is sitting right there and I have to buy it, otherwise it won't be there the next time I go in. Today was one of those times. Firstly, I do apologise if you can hear my fan in the background. It is very warm in here, as I've recorded another video already. It's very warm. I do apologise for the look of this tattoo at the moment, which is very, very scabby, but it covered up the hockey guy that I've said that I've disliked for ages. But look at how scabby that is. It's a kitsune mask, in case you can't see it. There's a photo of it on my Instagram. But yeah, I got that, and I got my nails done today. So I think that's everything that I need to cover. I covered that in my other video, so you're going to get to watch that bit twice, if you care. But, yes, TK Maxx. It's the bane of my existence. So, item number one. It will come as no surprise that my favourite time in TK Maxx is when it is Halloween. And they have just started getting their Halloween stuff in, so I was like, this is going to be bad. So first things first, I bought a big old pumpkin. Because, right, this isn't even for me, this is for my dog, right? So my dog, Lila, you'll have seen her on the channel at some point. Oh, the white balance really has made me look as pale as I actually am now that this pumpkin is here. So Lila has a couple of pumpkin toys and they squeak, they are actually dog toys. But she literally will not leave them alone. Like, she just spends all of her day just walking around with this pumpkin in her mouth. She sleeps with these pumpkins in her mouth. She sits there and she kneads them. Like, she'll lay and she'll have her paws on them and she'll knead them like a cat does. She's really weird. But literally no one sells any of these pumpkin toys. They're made by Good Boy, I think they're made by. Bought one when I saw one a couple of years back, and the other one that she had, it was getting really nasty, and you know, as it would if a dog was walking around with it in their mouth for a couple of years. So obviously we washed it in between, but you know. So found one of them online, ordered it, and that has since become her favourite toy. Obviously she loves pumpkins, but then this one is starting to get a little bit raggy, so even resorted to emailing the company that made them to see if there's any way that we can buy them, or anywhere they know that stocks them still, or if we can buy some directly from them, because I would literally buy like 3 or 4 of them for her. But yeah, they were like, yeah, sorry, we don't make them anymore, we don't know anyone who would have them in stock. So if anybody does know where, they're like little soft pumpkin toys, they've got a face on them, they're made by Good Boy. If anybody knows where I can buy one of those, please let me know, because my dog, she loves them. Anyway, I saw this in TK Maxx and I thought it was kind of similar, similar enough for her to maybe think that it's her toy, apart from the fact that it doesn't squeak. Like, literally when I walked in the door, the first thing she did was she came into the hall and stuck her head in the bag, and she was bouncing her head off this to see if it squeaked. I've not given it to her yet, but I might record when I do, because hopefully she will love pumpkin. I hope she does, because I like seeing my dog happy, and I love the fact that her favourite toy is a pumpkin. Like, that's just so me, that she's decided pumpkin is my favourite toy. And this was $7.99, which I don't think is too bad for, it's kind of big. They had a massive one for $14.99, I want that one for me. It's just a massive pumpkin. I'm definitely going to have to buy it at some point, but I'd spent enough money today. Maybe when I get paid next I'll go in and purchase a huge pumpkin. But for now, this is a pumpkin and a witch's hat, and I hope my dog likes it. Okay, next I have this, which is an Under Armour bra. It's an Under Armour sports bra. I said in the video that I recorded before that I'm kind of wanting comfier bras so they don't like have wires jutting in me and feel uncomfortable all day at work and stuff. So I saw this one and it stretches quite a lot, and I kind of like the idea of the racer back and the fact that this one has the adjustable straps as well. Other styles of this kind of bra don't have that, and they end up not being able to hold me up that well, so I thought maybe I'd give that a go, and if not, I can take it back, so it's win-win. Actually just pulling these out of the bag as I come to them. They're not in any order whatsoever, but I got some beauty blenders. Well, they are Precision Beauty Pro Blending Sponges, charcoal infused for more clarified skin. I bought these because I need new ones because my other ones are dirty and they will not get clean, and this one was black and pink, so I'm easy to persuade. If anything is black or pink, I'll buy it. Then I got one of these bad boys, which is the Vivitar Simply Beautiful lighted tweezers, and these, so my mum has a pair of these and they literally light up. They're just tweezers that light up and you put them in this little black case. My mum has these, she swears by them, and yeah, I like them a lot. Hers is a purple case, mine black obviously. Again, anything black I will buy it. And then I got this, which is a Blistex item. It's a conditioning lip serum, intensive care. I just thought that this was a nice idea to try because I've not seen this item before. I feel like it might be German because the writing on the back is German. But yeah, it's a big old thing, and if I like put this on during the night, I feel like it might make my lips better than what they are. Then, really boring, I got some Papermate pens for work because everyone steals them at work, so I'm just like, I'll just buy some nice ones and I'll keep mine for me. So you get a pink. These are all my favorite. These are literally all my favorite colours. You've got pink, teal, purple, and black. You literally can't get more me. So I'm like, yeah, again, branding, anything black. And then I picked up one of these, which had just gone on sale, I believe. These used to be a lot more expensive in TK Maxx. This is the Real Techniques Blush Brush. And yeah, this is £3.49, which I thought was a real bargain because I know that these were really expensive when they first came out. So yeah, they had some other ones as well, but this was the cheapest one and I kind of wanted a blush brush, so. Then I picked up some of these. I keep misplacing my eyelash curlers and I don't know, I always buy them and then forget to use them. So I thought, I'm buying some and I'm going to actually use them. And these look like a decent pair. You can't really see them because of the black background. Again, they're black. Black. Okie dokie, and on to the next item. I got this, which is a, what is it called? Mana. 24 hours for cold drinks and 12 hours for hot drinks. Basically a water bottle to keep your drinks warm or cold, but it has skeletons on it. Again, this was in the Halloween section, obviously. So yeah, it's like a really sturdy thing as well, which I like. And it suits me, it's got skulls on it. Then I got these. They're Converse, of course they are. But I spotted these. They were in the section that was for a size above me, so I was like, oh, I wish they were my size, because I had some that were similar to these, but I absolutely love them, but they were kind of, they're getting to a stage now where I've worn them too much. Like, I wore them in New York 5 years ago, so they're kind of getting a little bit old. So these are similar, but they're not the same. The ones that I already have, they had the grippy bottoms like these, but they had fur inside them to keep them warm, but these ones are very different. I've not seen any like these ones before. So as I said, you've got the grippy bottoms. I don't know if you can see it, it's a protruding grip, which is something that you don't get very often on Converse. It's the front side view. It's a suede leather kind of material, and then the tongue itself, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's like fabric, and in the heel is fabric as well, so that will stop them rubbing in theory. And that's like one of the banes of my existence, is when shoes rub at the back. So yeah, the fact that it's got these I think is a really nice touch. And yeah, when I got mine I think they were like 50 odd quid. These are £29.99 and they turned out to actually be my size. I didn't even mention that when I said that they were in the size above mine, but yeah, they are actually my size and I'm so happy. They are my size, aren't they? Yes, yes they are. And yeah, I love them. They're so cool and they will be great in the winter, and I hope that they're going to be comfortable. This is my big old, really big haul. I don't spend this much money in shops anymore. Like, I used to do this like every other week or something, and I'm like, I don't do it anymore, so I felt really like, oh my god, should I be spending this kind of money? But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end this now and I'm gonna boot up my PS4 and stream some Fall Guys because I've just downloaded it and I want to see how bad I am at it. So anyway, that is everything, literally everything, pretty much everything in the TK Maxx store. But yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Hope you have a nice day, have a good night, day, morning, whatever, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Adios!